I've got a Gabe and I know he's all mine. Oh. Do what you want, but you're never gonna break Gabe. Sticks and stones are never gonna shake Gabe. Oh.
Vin, we're just not feeling it.
I can do another take if you guys want me to.
No, Vin, that's alright. You can stop.
Nate, this is bad. We gotta get this mixtape into Dre in 1 week or we're gonna get killed.
We just gotta find the right sound, man.
We just gotta keep thinking, Nate. Nate, keep doing that.
Hey Vin, can you do your best dolphin impression?
Nate, this is it. This is our new sound. How are we gonna get to the public?
I've got an idea.
Where's my lunch money? Sorry, man, I don't have any. Please don't hurt me. I'm sorry, man. It's all good, man. It's all good. Let's just dance, man. Let's just dance.
Stone, come outside and hear this music.
I can't, man. My legs don't work.
Oh, you gotta hear this.
Dude, I can walk. I can dance.
Two hours later.
What do you think, Dr. Dre?
Well, to be completely honest with you, that was total garbage. I can't accept this.
Oh, come on, sir, please.
Wait a second, Nate. Look at this.
So what's the problem, guys?
What are you doing in my office?
It's the real Dre.
You're an imposter?
Well, you see,
Sorry about that. What? I heard your record, and it's a smash. I'm giving you a record deal.
Yeah.
All right.